Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In the previous video, I discussed with you important topics of income tax and GST for CA articleship interview technical round. In this video, I shall be sharing with you important accounting standards and essays for CA articleship interview technical round. So first of all, talking about the accounting standards, one of the frequently asked questions of the interviewers is for you to explain any of the accounting standard which you know. आपको आपके इंटरव्यूअर कहेंगे कोई भी अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड एक्सप्लेन कर दो, तो उसमें आपको कौन सा अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड एक्सप्लेन करना है. What I would suggest you is that you should go for either AS2 or AS3 because AS2 इन्वेंट्री बहुत ही आसान और छोटा अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड है, क्रॉस क्वेश्चन के ज्यादा चांसेस नहीं होते. सेकेंडली AS3 दैट इज कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट एक ऐसा अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड है जहां पर आपने प्रैक्टिकली भी कर रखा है उस अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड को बिकॉज इट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स ऑफ अ कंपनी एज वेल. तो इसीलिए क्रॉस क्वेश्चंस आते भी हैं तो उनका आंसर करने में आपको ज्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी. So generally when the interviewer asks you to explain any of the accounting standard, you should go for AS2 and AS3. Next, talking about the important accounting standards from which the questions can be raised are AS2 that is inventory, AS9 very important revenue recognition, thereafter AS10 PPE very important, AS11 foreign exchange very important, thereafter AS19 lease and AS20 that is EPS and AS22 which is accounting for taxes on income. These 7 AS are very important from the perspective of your interview, so you should definitely go through each of these accounting standards. The interviewer may ask you questions from the other accounting standards as well, but his primary focus would definitely be among these accounting standards. Next, if talking about the audit portion, generally the questions that are being asked by the interviewer are situation based questions. Generally, what the interviewer does is he will give you a situation and he will ask you that according to the essays, what will you do as an auditor of the company? So that is what you need to be prepared of. Now next, talking about the few theoretical questions that are being asked from the essays, what all topics you should prepare for that. First of all, the basic essay that is essay 200, essay 230 audit documentation, essay 240 fraud, then essay 315, essay 320 materiality, thereafter essay 500 audit evidence, 600 series and 700 series and essay 570 going concern. These are the important essays which you must prepare well. And talking about the essay 700 series, it is very important, but what you should expect is the interview shall be more towards the situation based questions and less of the theoretical based questions. That's all for this video. Take care of yourselves.